Baka nabati na yan, Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ate, sensory motor stage lang yan. Normal lang yung stage niya.
Sensory motor. Ano yan, gamot? Diyos ko, nung kabataan ko, 1-year-old pa lang, marunong nang maglaba.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my car, fucking anything.
Hello, Tita ng Bayan. Let Kuya Nat explain. Baby Teo is not slow. He's still in a sensory motor stage. Ibig sabihin, he's still learning. If when things exist, he can't see them. Tita, normal lang yan. Baby Thea is not slow. He's still learning. Nag-umpisa pa lang siyang mag-connect ng dots.
Curious? Akala ko nga nawawala na utak niya.
Parang kahapon, nag-aanak ka kaya sa lamin mo. Nasa loob mo lang pala.
Stop calling babies slow. They're not behind. They're learning in their own way and in their own time. Like baby Thea. She's in the sensory motor stage where babies are just starting to understand the world. That when something disappears, it might still exist. That their actions have effects. That learning takes practice, not pressure.